Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Elf Notes is probably one of the most creative and fun ways to enhance the magic of the elf on the shelf tradition, allowing parents to engage their children in imaginative storytelling and holiday excitement, fostering a sense of wonder and anticipation throughout the holiday season, and creating lasting memories that will be cherished for years to come. Number 5. Elf Note Accessories 30 Activity Cards. Introducing Elf Notes Accessories. This pack contains 30 engaging activity cards, perfect for keeping your Christmas elf busy and your kids excited. Never run out of ideas for your Christmas elf again. These cards provide a fresh activity every day, ensuring holiday magic. Designed by a certified teacher with 20+ years of experience, it's educational and fun. They're sized perfectly as elf accessories, too. These cards are created to keep children engaged with fun, educational activities throughout the holiday season. Watch them light up every morning. Elf Notes come in a collectible tin, making it a fantastic holiday gift. It's a present that keeps on giving. What we like? It comes with 30 educational activity cards, perfect for keeping kids engaged during the holiday season. If you're looking for a fun and educational way to enhance your elf tradition, this is it. It even comes in a collectible tin, making it a great gift. What people say. Packaging ideal for careful storage, can be suspended from out-of-way hook to be kept from prying eyes. Also, container very durable and will not accidentally dislodge cards. Creative. Kept the kids on their toes and on their best behavior. This company did the work of trying to figure out how to make this year a little more interactive. With the cards, we don't have to think up a new way to keep it fun and interesting. No more searching Google at 10 p.m. Place the elf and then pick a card or two. Kiddos love interacting with the directions from elf. Educational and fun. Number 4. Elf Notes Fill-in Cards. These colorful cards add magic to your elf's visit. They're a fun way to record your children's behavior, whether naughty or nice. Printed on thick cardstock, they're the perfect size for your elf. They look just like official notes from your elf friend. With space for the date, child's name, and a naughty nice choice, it's easy to document behavior. Use them as rewards or warnings. These notes enhance the elf experience. It's a great way for your elf to communicate and help you track behavior. Enjoy genuine American craftsmanship, from design to premium cardstock and printing. You'll love the quality. What we like? These notes help track your children's behavior, marking naughty or nice deeds. If you want to add a fun, interactive element to your elf's visits, and appreciate American-made products, this is a great choice. The fill-in spaces allow for personalized messages from your elf. What people say. So cute. Look fantastic. The design is vibrant. Number 3. Pink Pixie Studio Elf Reports. Add some extra magic to your Christmas elf tradition this year. These reports make it easy to track your children's behavior throughout the month. It's the perfect way to encourage good behavior all month long. Use them daily, or share them among siblings as needed. These reports are a fun way to acknowledge good behavior or gently remind children to improve. They're easy to use and understand. With their larger 4x6 size, they provide plenty of space to write your special messages. It's easier than ever to leave detailed notes. They're professionally printed in the USA on eco-friendly, recycled cardstock. You can easily write on them with pens or pencils. Get your set of 25 Pink Pixie Studio Elf Reports today and make this Christmas extra special. What we like? With its larger size, it offers plenty of space for detailed messages. If you prefer eco-friendly products and need room to write detailed reports, this is perfect. The larger size makes it easy to write fun and detailed messages from your elf. What people say. These cards are exactly as shown in image. The cardstock is sturdy so they mail perfectly as postcards. High-quality cardstock and printing. Cute and perfect daily report card for my toddler and her elf. Number 2. Elf Notes Countdown Kit. It's the most wonderful time of the year. This kit helps you create a magical countdown to Christmas with a special note from your elf each day. You'll receive 32 elf notes, a naughty or nice checklist, and an official elf report, everything you need for a festive countdown. Each note suggests a different activity or theme, keeping things fun and exciting throughout the holiday season. There's something for everyone. It's easy to follow the simple steps and create memories that will last a lifetime. Watch the magic unfold. This kit is proudly made in the USA with high-quality materials, ensuring it's perfect for your family's holiday celebration. Get ready for a magical Christmas countdown. This kit will make your holiday season extra special and memorable. What we like. This kit includes a daily activity calendar and a bonus letter from Santa. If you're looking to start a new tradition with a countdown element, this is the one for you. The variety of activities keeps things fresh and exciting. What people say. These cards have saved me on more than one occasion. Takes the guesswork out of what to do with the elf every night. This set is great. Now I don't have to create Christmas-themed files to leave notes for the kiddo. Very cute and creative. Looks great. Festive. Number 1. M&H Christmas Elf Notes. Add a touch of magic to your holidays. These enchanting notes are perfect for sharing festive messages with your kids. It's the perfect way for your elf to send special messages, encouragement, or even a fun surveillance report. Each 4x6 note card has plenty of space on the front and back for your elf to fill with holiday cheer. With 50 cards, your kids will wake up to a surprise from their favorite festive friend every day. Make this holiday season extra special and create fun, lasting memories with these magical notes. They're made of high-quality cardstock, ensuring they're durable and feel extra special. What we like. This pack provides 50 note cards, ensuring you have plenty for the whole season. If you need a large quantity of high-quality cards with ample writing space, look no further. The premium cardstock ensures your messages look and feel special. What people say. Nice and thick in good quality. These index cards are a quality thickness with a different design on each side. Perfect size and the images are beautiful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.